Chicken Seekh Kebab recipe. Ingredients: 500 g ground chicken, 1 large onion, finely chopped, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1/4 cup fresh coriander, finely chopped, 1/4 cup fresh mint, finely chopped, 1 green chili, finely chopped, adjust according to spice preference, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons besan, gram flour, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 tablespoons oil, plus extra for basting. Skewers, wooden or metal. Instructions: prepare the skewers. If using wooden skewers, soak them in water for at least 30 minutes to prevent them from burning during cooking. Marinate the chicken. In a large mixing bowl, combine the ground chicken, chopped onion, ginger garlic paste, fresh coriander, fresh mint, green chili, garam masala, cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt, besan, lemon juice, and oil. Mix well to form a uniform mixture. Let it rest. Cover the bowl and let the chicken mixture marinate for at least 1 to 2 hours in the refrigerator. This allows the flavors to meld and enhances the taste of the kebabs. Preheat the grill or oven. Preheat your grill or oven to medium-high heat. Shape the Seekh Kebabs. Take a handful of the marinated chicken mixture and mold it onto the skewers, shaping it into long, cylindrical kebabs. Ensure that the mixture adheres firmly to the skewers. Cooking. Grill the Chicken Seekh Kebabs for about 15 to 20 minutes, turning occasionally, until they are fully cooked and have a nice char on the outside. If using an oven, you can broil the kebabs on a baking sheet. Basting, optional. During the cooking process, you can baste the kebabs with a little oil to keep them moist and add extra flavor. Serve hot. Once the Chicken Seekh Kebabs are cooked through, remove them from the grill or oven. Serve hot with your favorite chutney, yogurt sauce, or alongside naan or rice. Enjoy the succulent and aromatic Chicken Seekh Kebabs as a delicious appetizer or part of a larger meal.